Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And today we can grow, germinate oranges and lemon from cuttings. It's an easiest method you can grow at home, simply and homegrown method. Look at this. This is an orange plant. So I can cut a few pieces of orange plant. Look at this. The branches, cut a branches of orange plant. Look at this. Now you can remove the extra and leaves and cutting into small pieces. I can cut into small pieces and remove the extra leaves. One main thing is that you can uh, have birds on the plant. Birds are very important. We are further grow and start germinating. So I can preparing a cuttings of this plant, orange plant, by removing the extra leaves. Look at this. It is ready. This is a cuttings of orange plant. I can cut and can prepare it. So these are the cuttings which I prepare from the orange plant, directly cutting and the twigs, cut the twigs. They are finely prepared cuttings of plant, orange plant. Now I can peel the skin of these cuttings. I can just simply expose the under portion of the plant cuttings, simply removing the top layer, top skin of the cuttings. Same can do with this plant, this cutting. Cut and remove the top layer of skin, which is namely called bark, because I want to expose the inner layer which start germination. This is ready. Now we take an aloe vera plant. Aloe vera plant has a lot of enzymes, lot of hormones which are very important for the germination of plants and graftings and cuttings. So I can add gel. Look at this. I simply pour the gel of aloe vera plant with cutting. Look at this, is ready. Because gel play an important role, now I can sow into the pot. I have a prepared soil which contain important ingredients like fertilizers, animal manure, this and that. Everything is in this soil. Now I can place both of these cuttings in this pot which containing an aloe vera. Firmly attached these cuttings into the pot and adjust. Now I add water. Because water is very important for the germination of plants, because water is very important for all life. Everyone need water for their proper growth and germination, so plant also need water for their proper growth and germination. After watering, I can cover it with plastic bottle. This plastic bottle helps for the proper germination. I covered it. It cannot allow harmful radiations to reach the cuttings. After 30 days, I check it. All these my plants cuttings. Look at these. They are germinating. They show a vigorous growth. All branches, all portions are germinating. Look at this. I can remove this bottle slowly. Look at this. Both the cuttings are germinating. There are leaves are growing very well. So this is an easy and simple method you can do at your home and place everywhere you want to germinate. It's totally free. Simply you can take a few cuttings from the main. Now look at this. These are lot of branches which are germinating here. So both these cuttings show lot of branches are here. A lot of rootings are here. Both these are showing a rootings which are very important. Look at this. So you can place it on underground where you want to grow. And thank you so much for this video. Please like and subscribe for more beautiful and useful videos of plant gardening or kitchen gardening, home gardening. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.